Good morning, student. Welcome to the lecture of emerging trades in mechanical engineering. We have already started a discussion on recent trades in manufacturing industry. The course outcome related to this unit is the site examples of modern manufacturing in industry. So today we are going to learn about the selection of robots for a given application. This is our unit outcome. In this, the key takeaway is to understand the different types of sensors with examples and their applications. Sensors. What is mean by sensors, or what is the function of the sensor? Sensors sense the environment that are essential for intelligent robots. There are five different types of sensors are there. First, light sensor. Light sensor, it is a one type of transducer used for detecting the light, and it creates a voltage difference equivalent to light intensity fall on the light sensors. There are two main light sensors used in the robots. First is photovoltaic cell and second is photoresistor. The second type of sensor is proximity sensor. The proximity sensors can detect the presence of nearby objects without any physical contact between them. And the working of this proximity sensor is simple, easy. In proximity sensor, the transmitter transmits an electromagnetic radiation and the receiver receives, as well as it analyzes the return signal from interpretations. Therefore, the total amount of light receiver receives by the surrounding can be used for the detecting the presence of nearby objects. Third sensor, sound sensor. The sound sensors are generally a microphone used to detect the sound, and it returns the voltage equivalent to a sound level. Means whatever the voltage of sound is there, same level of sound sensed by these sensors. Using sound sense, a simple robot can be designed to navigate based on sound receivers. Fourth, temperature sensor. In this, the temperature sensors are used for sensing the change in the temperature of the surroundings. So it is based on the principle of change in voltage difference for change in temperature. This changes the voltage will provide the equivalent temperature value of that overall surroundings. And last one is acceleration sensor. The acceleration sensor is used for measuring the acceleration, and tilt means the acceleration is a device used for measuring the acceleration. Next bit is applications for robot. First, arc welding. In this, the robot welding is improving the safety of worker, arc burns, and healing the hazardous forms. Second, spot welding. In this, the robotic spot welding joins two contacting metal surfaces by directing a larger current through the spot, which means it melts the metal and forms the weld, and that delivered to the spot in a very short time of period. Third, material handling. The material handling robots are utilized to move, to pack and select the products, as well as They also can automate the function involved in the transforming the parts from one piece of equivalent to another. In this, the direct labor cost is reduced and much of the tedious and hazardous activities are traditionally performed by the human labors are totally eliminated. Fourth, machine tending. The robotic automation for machine tending is a process of loading and unloading of raw materials into machinery for processing and overseeing the machine while it is does a job. Next, painting robotic. Painting is used in a automatic production and many other industries as it increases the quality and consistency of the product. So the cost saving are also realized through this less reworks. Next, picking, packing. This is the most popular products are handled in multiple times prior to final shipping. So the robotics picking and packing increases the speed as well as the accuracy along with lowering the production cost. Next, assembly. The robots routinely assemble the products and eliminating a tedious jobs. So the robots increases the output as well as it reduces the operational cost. Next, mechanical cutting, grinding, deburring and polishing. In this, the polishing is a hip joint by hand can normally take of 50 to 90 minutes while a robot can perform the same function in just a few minutes. And last one is adhesive sealing and spraying materials. In this, the sealer robots are built with numerous arm configurations that enables the robot to apply the adhesives so that they can any type of product. The primary benefit in these specific applications that will increases the quality as well as the speed and the consistency of that final product. That's it from today's lecture. Thank you.